Hello. Again, I would like to take a moment to outline the code of conduct to be observed in order to uphold the dignity and decorum of this graduation ceremony. All degree recipients are kindly requested to take their seats in the designated area. Everyone is requested to maintain silence throughout the program and kindly ensure that the mobile phones are switched off and kept in silent mode. Upon the arrival of academic procession in the auditorium, you are requested to rise and remain standing until the dignitaries are seated on the dais. We request everyone to remain seated during the prayer to preserve the solemnity of the occasion. When the registrar evaluation requests the degree recipients to rise, please stand and remain standing until the registrar receives permission to confer the degrees from the president. You may be seated immediately thereafter. All degree recipients are requested to approach the stage strictly as per the order allotted, and degree recipients are kindly requested to avoid shaking hands or making other gestures while receiving the degree. After receiving the degree, you are requested to return to and remain seated in your allotted place until the conclusion of this program. During oath-taking ceremony, degree recipients are requested to stand and extend their right hand forward. And degree recipients and all others are kindly requested to leave the hall only after the dignitaries depart with the academic procession at the end. Again, degree recipients, please make a note. You need to return the costume to the registration desk soon after the program, and the selfie counter is put up at the entrance of this auditorium, and another costume is available for you. You can put up and you can have a selfie. You can take the selfies there. Dear esteemed faculty, degree recipients, proud parents and students, here is to your attention. It is with great excitement that I announce the arrival of graduation procession. I request you to rise as a guest of honor in respect to the procession composed of distinguished scholars. The procession is inclusive of Dean of PG Studies, Dean of Arts, Dean of Science, Dean of Commerce, Registrar Administration, Registrar Evaluation, Convocation Speaker, President, Secretary, Principal, Vice Principal and rank holders. Again, dear esteemed faculty, degree recipients and proud parents and students, here is to your attention. It is with the great excitement that I announce the arrival of graduation procession, and I request you to raise as a gesture of honor in respect to the procession. Hello. 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 A very good morning everyone present here. A warm welcome to this auspicious occasion of graduation ceremony. Today we gather to commemorate the culmination of the years of dedicated study and commitment. This ceremony marks the conclusion of an important chapter in your lives while heralding the commencement of new endeavors and opportunities. Each of you have navigated challenges and embraced growth, and as you stand on the brink of your future, you are carrying with you invaluable knowledge and experiences that will serve as your guiding compass. As we proceed with the program, let us take a moment of quiet reflection and seek the blessings of Almighty. I now request our team of Fiji students to lead us in prayer.
शम्भो गिरीश सुरपूजितकामवैरिन् गौरीश शङ्करा महेश्वर विश्वहेतो शम्भो गिरीश सुरपूजितकामवैरिन् गौरीश शङ्करा महेश्वर विश्वहेतो धर्मस्थलेश सकलेश दयापयोधे श्री मंजुनाथ नितरां कुरु मङ्गलं मे धर्मस्थलेश सकलेश दयापयोधे श्री मंजुनाथ नितरां कुरु मङ्गलं मे कुरु मङ्गलं मे कुरु मङ्गलं मे कुरु मङ्गलं मे
ಕೊಡಿ 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 ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದು.
Om Shri Manjunatheshwara Namaha. By the virtue of the authority vested in me as the President of the 𝐏𝐻𝐯 Education Society, the Chairman of the Governing Council of 𝐏𝐻𝐯 College in Ujjire, and President of the graduation ceremony, I declare the graduation ceremony open.
Thank you, sir. Today signifies a milestone of achievement and promise, where learning paves the way for future accomplishments. To graciously welcome this august gathering, I respectfully invite our Honorable Principal, Professor Dr. Vishwanatha P. to the dais.
Offering my prayers to Lord Shri Manjunatheshwara and seeking the blessings of Ramakunja 𝐻𝐿 Dharmasthala of Shri Dharmasthala and President of �SVME Society and Mother Shri 𝐒𝐝𝐯𝐬, most respected Dr. 𝐿𝐶 Honorable Minister of Higher Education, Government of Karnataka, respected Dr. Suddi, Secretary of 𝐿𝐶 Education Society, respected Dr. Kavita 𝐂𝐝𝐲, Joint Director, Collegiate Education, Mangalore Region, respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to one and all. We are gathered here today to celebrate the graduation ceremony of our college for the academic year 24-25, a moment that marks achievement and new beginnings for our graduating students. STM College Ujjire is a premier autonomous institution under Mangalore University and the first higher educational institution established by STM Educational Society in 1966. Founded with noble vision of making higher education accessible and affordable to the rural youth, the college has remained committed to its mission of reaching the unreached. Over the decades, the institution has set significant benchmarks in delivering value-based, inclusive, and quality education. With a state-of-the-art infrastructure and advanced academic amenities, the college offers quality education at the undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral levels. Over the years, the institution has earned national and international laurels and recognition for its outstanding contributions in academics, research, sports, NCC, NSS, Rovers and Rangers, and cultural activities. With this, it gives me immense pleasure to extend a very warm welcome to all of you to this graduation ceremony. The president of this graduation ceremony is a distinguished and multi-dimensional personality, an educationist, social reformer, philosopher, and the Dharmadikari of Shri Dharmasthala, Puja Dr. D. Virendra Hedeji. In recognition of his outstanding service to the nation, he has been conferred the Padma Vibhushan, the second highest civilian award of the country, by the President of India. He has been serving as a member of Parliament in Rajya Sabha since 2022. As the President of STM Education Society, he provides visionary leadership to more than 56 premier academic and professional institutions across Karnataka, ranging from kindergarten to doctoral studies. On behalf of the entire gathering, I extend a most respectful and heartfelt welcome to you, sir. The chief guest of this ceremony is an eminent scholar in the field of dental sciences and a distinguished public leader known for his commitment to educational excellence and public service, Dr. M.C. Sudhakar, Honorable Minister for Higher Education, Government of Karnataka. Sir, we are deeply honored by your gracious presence. On behalf of the entire STM family, I extend a warm and respectful welcome to you, sir. We have with us Dr. Satish Chandra S., Secretary of STM Education Society, an eminent educationist and pragmatic visionary with scientific outlook. His guidance and steadfast support continue to strengthen the academic and administrative endeavors of the college. I am pleased to extend a warm and respectful welcome to you, sir. We are also honored to welcome Dr. Kavita K.R., Professor of Botany and Joint Director of College Education, Mangalore region, who constantly guides and supports us in all our activities. A hearty welcome to you, Madam. It is my pleasure to extend a cordial welcome to the institutional officials, the Vice Principal, Registrars, Deans, the IKC Coordinator, and the Coordinator of VO Program. A hearty welcome to all of you. I am pleased to extend a warm and cordial welcome to Dr. H. Devendrappa, Professor of Physics, Mangalore University, members of the management, distinguished invitees, heads of our sister institutions, former principals, retired staff, members of the media, HODs, esteemed colleagues, parents, rank holders, graduating students, and our dear students. A warm welcome to each and every one of you. Once again, a very warm welcome to you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Honorable Principal Dr. Vishwanath B to welcome Honorable President Dr. D. Virendra Hegde with a garland of flowers. Thank you, sir. My request to Vice Principal Ms. Nanda Kumari KP to welcome Convocation Speaker Dr. M.C. Sudhakar, Honorable Minister of Higher Education, Government of Karnataka, with a bouquet. Thank you, Madam. I request Registrar Administration Dr. Sridhar Bhatt to florally welcome Dr. S. Satish Chandra, the Honorable Secretary, SDM Education Society, 𝐻𝐸, florally. Thank you, sir. I request IQSC Coordinator Shri Gajanana R. Bhatt to welcome Dr. K.R. Kavita, Joint Director, Department of Collegiate Education, Mangalore, florally. Thank you, sir. To provide an overview of the institution's academic vision and operational excellence, I now respectfully invite our Vice Principal, Mrs. Nanda Kumari KP, to present the college synopsis. Over to you, ma'am.
Om Shri Manjunathaya Namaha. Offering my respectful salutations to Pujya Hegadeji and acknowledging the gracious presence of the Honorable Minister for Higher Education, distinguished guests on and off the dais, esteemed invitees, students, a very good morning to one and all. It's a great honor and privilege to present a brief overview of our institution before you. With a legacy of nearly 6 decades of academic excellence, STM College has consistently stood tall among institutions at the regional, state and national levels. It has attained autonomous status in 2008. The college has secured top grades in all cycles of NAAC accreditation, including the prestigious A++ grade in the 4th cycle, reaffirming its unwavering commitment to quality education. It is also recognized as a college with potential for excellence by UGC and has been conferred Star College status by the DBT Government of India. The institution offers 5 UG, 11 PG, 3 occasional and 14 PhD programs, fostering a vibrant academic community of 3,188 students and 60 research scholars, supported by 147 teaching, 90 non-teaching staff, and 32 research guides. The college boasts state-of-the-art infrastructure spread across 2 serene campuses with ICT-enabled classrooms, well-equipped hostels for boys and girls, free hostel for deserving male students, seminar and webinar halls, exclusive sports facilities, an auditorium, swimming pool, open-air theatre and cultural centres. An 8-acre arboretum within the campus conserves rare and medicinal plant species. Fully automated library houses over 1 lakh books and journals, accommodating 400 students at a time, and is open on all days. Committed to sustainability, the institution follows a zero-waste management system, promotes carbon neutrality, and utilizes recycled water for maintaining campus gardens. Vibrant ardent R&D cell of the college encourages staff and student research by providing seed funding for research. Currently, the institution has ongoing research projects worth around rupees 1.5 crores funded by BGST, DST, Ayush, etc. The management places strong emphasis on student support and welfare, providing scholarships and free ships exceeding rupees 30 lakhs annually, along with the free hostel facilities and midday meal schemes to deserving students. The college has seamlessly integrated modern pedagogical trends with the STM e-resource, serving as a pivotal milestone in our digital journey. The Shri D. Ratnavarma Hegde Stadium and STM Sports Club have nurtured sport persons of national and international repute, including 6 Ekalavya awardees and 2 Grandmasters. The college provides ample scope for holistic development extensively through NSS, NCC, Army and Navy, Rovers and Rangers, Red Cross, hobby and cultural fora. The accomplishments of students stand as true testimony to the institution's commitment to excellence. Ours is the only college in the country to receive a total of 56 awards at the national, state and university level for outstanding contributions to NSS. Our students have won numerous medals at national and international levels in curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular events and have brought laurels through distinguished participation in NCC camps at the national level and RD parade at New Delhi. Beyond academics, the college actively serves society through outreach initiatives such as Lab in a Cap, Drug Bank, Wall of Goodwill, Counseling Center, Consultancy Services and a community radio station, Radio Ninada. The weekly news bulletin, Nammura Varte, produced by STM Multimedia Studio, completed 623 episodes and continues to inspire society through positive and responsible storytelling. Earning top ranks in the prestigious survey conducted by reputed national level magazines, NSS unit's entry into Golden Book of World Records, award of 4 US and Indian patents, 405 student placements through STM Rotary Career Guidance and Placement Cell are some of the institution's milestone in the current academic year. 3 registered alumni associations continuously support the institution through scholarships, placement assistance, and student welfare initiatives. In conclusion, STM College remains steadfast in its mission to nurture not only competent graduates but also socially responsible citizens equipped with knowledge, values, and compassion. I congratulate all the graduating students and wish them every success in their future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I now respectfully invite Shri Ganesh Nayak B, Registrar Evaluation, to announce the examination results for the academic year 2024-25 and seek the Honorable President's permission to confer the provisional degrees.
Om Shri Manjunathaya Namaha. Respected dignitaries on the dais and of the dais, I feel privileged to proclaim the examination outcomes for the year 24-25. The total number of UG students appeared 804, pass 739 and pass percentage is 91.91%. PG students appeared 299 and pass 294, percentage is 98.33%. The examination results of the academic year 24-25 have been compiled in accordance with approved regulations. A total of 24 UG ranks and 22 PG ranks have been declared for the year 24-25. Honorable President, I seek your permission to present the candidates whose names are set out in the list for the award of degree of masters and bachelors in the several disciplines of science, commerce, social science and humanities. The students of all these respective disciplines are requested to raise. Please stand up. They have been examined and found qualified for the respective degrees for which I plea the Honorable President to confer provisional degrees.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the President of the SDM Education Society, I admit all the candidates presented for the award of provisional degree of bachelors and masters in the disciplines of science, commerce, social sciences and humanities. In token thereof, they have been presented Doctoral degree certificate.
Thank you. Thank you. The details of each discipline and rank holders will now be notified by program facilitators in the order: UG rank holders, PG rank holders in MSc Psychology, MSW, JMC, MA English, MCom, MCom IBM, MSc Chemistry, MSc in Organic Chemistry, MSc Biotechnology, MSc in Physics, and MSc in Statistics. Now, over to program coordinators. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We will be honoring the rank holders of UG and PG. I request the President of the ceremony, Dr. D. Virendra Hegade, and the graduation speaker, Dr. M. C. Sudhakar, to kindly do the honors. Kusuma Shri, first rank in BA. Sinchana T, third rank in BA. Chandrika, first rank BSc. Vaidehi K, second rank in BSc. Niyata Mohan K, third rank in BSc. Sinchana Joshi, first rank in BCom. Sushmita B, second rank in BCom. Sinchana Shetty, third rank in BCom. MS Shruti, second rank in BCA. Niriksha KD, first rank in BBA. Rashmi Suresh Shetty, second rank in BBA. Sanjana Bhatt, third rank in BBA. Kishore KM, first rank in Software and Application Development. Harsha Hadagali, second rank in Software and Application Development. Aishwarya, third rank in Software and Application Development. Tarun S, first rank in Digital Media and Filmmaking. Prajwal, second rank in Digital Media and Filmmaking. Yogesh B, third rank in Digital Media and Filmmaking. Anusha MK, first rank in Retail and Supply Chain Management. Harsha B, first rank in MSc Psychology. Anupama BS, second rank in MSc Psychology. Nikhil MP, first rank in MSc Biotech. Megha Shivaraj, second rank in MSc Biotech. Bhashini Singh P, first rank in MA English. Ashwati N, second rank in MA English. Chaitra, first rank in MSc Statistics. Punya, second rank in MSc Statistics. Varshita, first rank in MSc Chemistry. Shivani KS, second rank in MSc Chemistry. Khushi R. Gowda, first rank in MSc Organic Chemistry. Bhaire Gowda, Veeranagowda, Alangudi, MSc Organic Chemistry. Sahitya Aital, MCom IBM first rank. Anagha AM, MCom IBM second rank. Vaishnavi KR, first rank in MCom. Amrita Dogre, second rank in MCom. Swati KP, first rank in MSW. Kezaya Satisan, second rank in MSW. Divyashri Dattatreya Hegde, first rank in MAJMC. Naidile KS, second rank in MAJMC. Dakshayani Kalbag, first rank in MSc Physics. Ananya, second rank in MSc Physics.
Now let's honor our postgraduate students. Swapna, Arpita Kumari, Samyak H, Niriksha, Deepa TM, and Aditya Maya. Darshini MT and Mayur Murlidhar Kamath. Vinod Lobo. Prasanna Devaraya Gowda. Namita. Rakshita RS. Tejas HY. Ayo. Shashi Kumar. Kalavita G. Jain. Shravan Kumar N. Anurup Kumar B. Nivedita Pai. Shanvita and Reshma R. Namrata and Anjali. Shreya and Saujanya MD. Shreya Damodar Raikar and Soundarya.
Give a gap here.
Vibha and Sakshi. Kavya Shri and Khushi DH. Shraddha R. Kalas and Chavan Rekha Ramchandra. Sindhu BA and Niba A. Vagish C. Udupa and Raksha B.
That side is correct. This is Loki's side.
Jitan Aaron Carlo and Harshit Virendra Kaulakiyar. Krishnedu CS and Chaitra. Tejaswini DA and Sinchana JJ. Prakriti MT and Srijan Hegde KR. Give me an indication, okay? I can't see any. Manali Rajan Sawant and Navya. Ashwati C and Tejashri. Parvati Lakshman Avradi and Seema P. Bangera. Sonakshi and Rakshita. Spandana HS and Om Prasad Maitri. Akshata Hemant Gavada and Anupama Ashok Nagekar. Rohit SB and Shri Raksha Vithal Shanbag. Anil Narayana Bhatt. Jobita Kelot. Divya Jagdish Sambargi and Preeti U.
Shivani R. Nair and Anjana VS. Anaga NK and Bhargavi. Keep looking. Shritika Biswas and Vaishali Shankar. Advait Mohan Nair and Yashaswini Bhatt. Abhinav CB and Shri Purna. Krishna MN and Chavan Jaikiran Vaishali. Tejaswini Khatri and Chaitanya Chandrahas Shet. Arya K and Alisha P. Joy. Divya Udagatti and Farhana. Gaurav Nandini Nandakumar Neeta and Navya Lakshmi. Pallavi A. Baritaya and Sannidhi Nayak. Sindhu Parameshwar Hegde and Stincy Thomas. Shrisha Mukesh and Gautami LC. Ramya M. Doddamani and Ashwati T. Shashank T. and Netravati N. Akhilesh M. and Jahnavi M. Neha and Tusha R. Rai. Sudarshan U. Gowda and Avinash. Pratiksha V. and Dimahi. Suprita and Ashwini. Shobit BM and Anusha K. Ananya V and Dhanyashri. Disha NG. Manasa G and Kirana Jain. Vikshita and Tanuja.
Shivakumari J and Harshita. Diksha SR. Rimsha Fatima and Jitesh. Harshita HT and Pragnya. Archana Adiga and Preetesh Jain. Meghana A.G. and Samiksha Jain. Deepthi and Spurti C. Gowda. Shrivasa B.K. and Uma B. Vijay and Abish. Vikshita and Gagan R. Ritika K and Bishan Beliappa KU. Navyashri MR. BD Chetan and Princey Mary. Sneha A and Ruchita N Prasad. Sneha L and Srinidhi. Viana Vanessa Pais and Shahid Afreed. Adarsh KH and Ravindra Gopal Devadiga. Atmika and Ashwini U. Sharan R and Kishora TV. Tejaswini and Prastuti HR. Maulya HM and Praneeth. Ashwini and Devika A. Pankaja BD and Samiksha Rai B. Priya and Yuvraj. Nischita DG and Prakriti V. Rashmita HR and Kirtana AS. Vaishnavi. K. Sinchana and Sharanya. Deepa Shri and Saujanya. Stemi Joseph and Rakshita K. Kirtan and Shama S. Acharya.
Thanks to all the dignitaries. At this auspicious juncture, we are privileged to have Dr. 𝐾𝐻 𝐶𝐫, Joint Director, Department of Collegiate Education, Mangalore, to lead the graduation pledge for the graduating cohort. I respectfully request Madam to administer the graduation pledge and also request all the degree holders to rise and extend your right hand forward as a gesture of oath taking.
Ellarigu namaskara. Good morning to all of you. All graduates, please repeat after me. I solemnly pledge that as a graduate of Shri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara College, 𝐒𝐮𝐝, I shall strive to live up to the standard of excellence of my alma mater, to strengthen my mind and character, and to be always on the side of truth, freedom, and justice, for the service of the country and the mankind. I vow that I will work hard to become a professionally competent and an ethically strong individual. Congratulations to all of you, and I wish you all the very best in your lives.
Thank you, Madam. Achievement is a journey, not a destination. A relevant quote for a high academic icon like Dr. M.C. 𝐶 the Honorable Minister for Higher Education, Government of Karnataka, currently serving in the cabinet of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Siddaramaiah. He is also a 3-time member of Karnataka Legislative Assembly, representing the Chintamani constituency under the Indian National Congress. Born in Chintamani, Dr. 𝐶 pursued his education in dentistry, earning a Bachelor of Dentistry from Bangalore Dental College and a Master of Dental Surgery in Prosthodontics from A.B. Shetty Memorial Institute of Medical Sciences. Before entering active politics, he held academic positions including Senior Lecturer and Professor of Prosthodontics at dental colleges in Bangalore, and held leadership roles including President of the Karnataka chapter of the Indian Dental Association. In the 2023 Karnataka Assembly elections, he won with a significant margin and was subsequently appointed Cabinet Minister for Higher Education. In his current role, he also serves as Pro-Chancellor of State Universities in Karnataka, contributing to the development and governance of higher education in the state. With this very brief introduction, we respectfully request Dr. M.C. 𝐶𝐶 to deliver the convocation address.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಧರ್ಮಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರೀ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ಮಂಜುನಾಥೇಶ್ವರ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭೆಯ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಸದಸ್ಯರು, ಪದ್ಮವಿಭೂಷಣ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತರು, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಕರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಿ ವೀರೇಂದ್ರ ಹೆಗ್ಗಡೆ ಅವರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ಮಂಜುನಾಥೇಶ್ವರ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪದವಿ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಅವರೇ, ಕಾಲೇಜು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಜಂಟಿ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕವಿತಾ ಅವರೇ, ಮಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ಕುಲಸಚಿವರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವೇಂದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅವರೇ, ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಭಟ್ ಅವರೇ, ಗಣೇಶ್ ನಾಯ್ಕ್ ಅವರೇ, ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಅವರೇ, ಉಪಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ನಂದಾ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಅವರೇ, ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಪದವಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರೇ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೋಧಕೇತರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೇ, ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಆನಂದಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರೇ, ಆಹ್ವಾನಿತರೇ, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ಭಾಳ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ನಾನು 1992 ಮತ್ತು 94 ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ದಂತವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನಾತಕೋತ್ತರ ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೆ. ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ನಗರಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಸಚಿವರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಮಾನ್ಯ ವೀರೇಂದ್ರ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರನ್ನು ಶ್ರೀ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರು. ನನ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣ ಅವರು ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಮಣಿಪಾಲಲ್ಲಿ MD ರೇಡಿಯಾಲಜಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ MDS ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು ಅವತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ. ಅವತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೆಲೆಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಆ ರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರ ಖಾತೆ ಸಹ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಯಿತು. ನಗರಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಸಚಿವರಾಗಿದ್ದಂಥವರನ್ನು ಗೃಹ ಸಚಿವರಾಗಿ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಂದಿನ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದಂಥ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ವೀರಪ್ಪ ಮೊಯ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಖಾತೆಯನ್ನು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೃಹ ಸಚಿವರಾದರು. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳದ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೆನಪು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಚ್ಚಹಸಿರಾಗಿ ಏನೋ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅಂದು ನಾನು ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂದೊಂದು ದಿನ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಶ್ರೀ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಚಿವನಾಗಿ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ವೀರೇಂದ್ರ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವರ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಾನು ಕನಸು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲೂ ನೆನೆಸಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಆ ದೈವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the graduates and the postgraduates who have completed their graduation today. It's really a great honor to be part of this graduation ceremony. As a Minister for Higher Education in the Government of Karnataka, it's really heartening to see all the young girls and boys being graduated. That too, when I look in the audience, I think more than 75% are all girls here. So this is what I have been. This is what I have been observing for the past 2.5 years after assuming as the Minister for Higher Education. This is a significance of the upliftment of women, the awareness amongst the women, and also to empower the women. So this is where I think there could be a big change in the society, where there was a feeling, or rather people thought or took it for granted that it's a male-dominated society. I think our days are going to be near where it is going to be a woman-dominated society. So I really appreciate the efforts. At this juncture, I would like to mention a program which was initiated by Government of Karnataka with I would like to say a man who has got a vision and probably commitment towards the society, a person who is probably doing his best, probably not many in this country are doing, that is Mr. 𝐼𝐶𝐸 𝐃𝐝𝐯. 𝐼𝐶𝐸 𝐃𝐝𝐯 Foundation has come forward to support the graduating girls to pursue their graduation and to continue and not to discontinue their education in between for various constraints. It is a unique program called Deepika, trying to encourage the girl students who have studied their 10th standard in a government school. Please listen to me what I am saying. The girl students who have studied in a government school, 10th standard, then in a government pre-university college, 11th and 12th, that is first PUC and second PUC, all three has to be there. 10th standard in a government school, first PUC in a government school, first second PUC in a government school, then later on, any course in the state of the Karnataka, any degree program, whether it is medical, dental, engineering, agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry, law, rural development, any course for that matter, BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, BCA, any degree program, anywhere in the state of Karnataka, any university, any private university, any deemed to be university, from the batch of 25-26, I am making it very clear, from the academic year of 25-26, for 3 years we have signed a MOU, registrations have started. These girl students, they are going to get 30,000 rupees every year till they complete their graduation. Whether it's a 3-year program, 4-year program or a 4.5-year program, they are going to get 30,000 rupees every year, and the condition is that every year they have to pass. So if they fail to clear the exams, then they will lose this opportunity. So this is a great gesture by 𝐼𝐶𝐸 𝐃𝐝𝐯. So I want all of you people who are here from the rural background, that too from this prestigious institution, would have come from the surrounding villages to avail this opportunity. You can enroll, check the portal. Our joint director is here. Any information to the college, I think they would have provided the information to the college. There is some confusion. More than 1.6 lakh students have applied for this. We had the data covering about 37,000 students across all the specialities, but anything crossing beyond 37,000 would be absorbed by the state government. This is a universal program only in the state of Karnataka. The 𝐼𝐶𝐸 𝐃𝐝𝐯 Foundation has extended this program in other 17 or 18 states in the country, but not universal. Probably some states it could be 5,000, some states it could be 10,000. But being present in this own state, they felt that we should be special, and our government was successful in convincing him that it should be a universal program, and whatever additionality is there, Honorable CM Shri Siddaramaiah sir has agreed that it will be paid from the state exchequer. So once again I am repeating, it is starting from the batch 25-26, that is academic year 25-26, 26-27, 27-28. Right now we have signed for 3 years. The reason why I am repeating is, students, because lack of information, everybody has applied. So the numbers are swelled, and we too were shocked to look at the numbers. But I think they are verifying, and they've been rejecting the application. So this is one great program which we have evolved, and rather probably adapted through 𝐼𝐶𝐸 𝐃𝐝𝐯 Foundation. I would like to thank 𝐼𝐶𝐸 𝐃𝐝𝐯 Foundation. Similarly, coming back to the services and the commitment of Dr. D. Virendra Hegde, as a dentist, I studied from Government Dental College. I did my undergraduation from Government Dental College, Bangalore. And then I came over to Mangalore to pursue my post-graduation. At that time, this own institute, this own organization started a dental college in Dharwad. Probably till today it is one of the best dental institutions in the country. The way that college started from the inception, it made a tremendous mark, or probably the footsteps were so strong. I think it showed the way how dentistry should be taught. What facilities should a dental institution should have. And Dr. Hegde was lucky enough to get a great committed principal called Dr. Bhaskar Rao. I think he led the way for a long time, and today we have a medical college as well in Dharwad. So that shows the commitment of Dr. Hegde and his father, because when I came into this premises, into the college, I first checked the plaque there, which was written 1969, the year when I was born. So this has started much before I was born, and today it is probably going to shortly, this year or next year, going to complete 60 years of existence. So I was shocked to look at the infrastructure. I was repeatedly asking the principal, when was this building constructed? So he said that it was constructed way back in the late 60s. And that too, Dr. Hegde, when he took over as the Dharmadhikari at a very young age, used to come every day from morning till afternoon, or rather evening, with the umbrella and watch the construction activity, and took so much of pains, and the way he was committed towards what it has to be the journey. And in fact, he was mentioning to me that this is the first institution from this organization, and these such organizations have made Karnataka the land of probably higher education. To give you the statistics, I would like to say, recently the Niti Aayog has come out with the information as to the density of higher education institutions. It is calculated in terms of per lakh population. The national average is 30 institutions per lakh. And the state of Bihar, if I say, I think people will be surprised, the density is only 7. And Karnataka stands at 66 colleges per lakh. So, the visionary leadership throughout the state, be it Dharmasthala, be it Mysore Puttur, be it Tumkur, be it Belgaum, be it Bagalkot, whichever part of the state, they were visionaries who felt that government alone cannot impart quality higher education. The private sectors, that too, mutts and organizations, philanthropic organizations, they started institutions way back, and today we stand as a Silicon Valley of the country. And probably Karnataka and especially Bangalore is noticed. When you travel abroad, when you say you're from India, they tell Bengaluru. They don't even talk about New Delhi. So that is the impact what the quality education being imparted by all these institutions has made. Today I am really proud to be here. It's not so easy to be graded as A++ through the NAC assessment. It's not so easy. Unless you impart high quality, maintain high quality standards of higher education, you won't be able to get A++. Be it anybody for that matter, whoever could be the head of the institution, the assessment committee is not going to be influenced and not going to take things for granted or try to award with such a high standard of ranking. So I once again congratulate Shri D. Virendra Hegde sir for his commitment, and also the faculty who has stood with him. The managements could give all the facilities, but ultimately delivering would be lying with the head of the institution and the committed faculty who are here. with the same commitment and also with the direction and with the urge to impart the knowledge what they have gained to the students from the rural background. When I was observing all the students here, because since I have also experienced the way education is so important in this part of the state, Dakshina Kannada, I keep telling, when I came to the convocation ceremonies couple of times in Mangalore University, because I am also a postgraduate of Mangalore University, so I was always saying that there is some sort of a vibe in this place. There is a lot to learn from this place. There is a lot I have learned myself from this place of my 2 years of stay in Mangalore or this Dakshina Kannada region. I think there is something special. I don't know what it is special. There is something greatness in the soil of this place which has really shaped lives of a lot of people. I am one among them. So I got great respect for the soil, and seeing all the young minds here. In the end, I would like to say you have been able to get to graduate in one of the best of the institutions in this part and in the state, and now you are embarking on a new journey in your life. This is the beginning. People who have done undergraduation, you got to see whether you want to get into any job or whether you want to pursue your post-graduation. People who have completed their post-graduation, you would like to see whether you want to do your doctoral course or you would like to look into any other opportunities. I would like to say there are ample opportunities right before us, but none of the opportunities will come to our doorstep. We need to go in search of them. I know we won't be successful in our first attempts, but I think we should try to believe in ourselves that we have something in us, and I think with that vigor, with the commitment and the discipline what you have gained in this institution, I think you can take it forward, and you also could be successful in lives, probably get laurels to the country and to the parents who had probably never dreamt that their children would be able to do such a great achievement. I think you need to give it back to the parents who have toiled all around. I don't know, from whatever difficulties they have tried to get you educated, and that to get you admission into such a prestigious institution. I think now the entire world is right before you. You should be ready to go and conquer the world. This is what I would like to say. And I would like to also say that we also have done a lot of programs without skilling. I think skilling is the order of the day. Yeah, without skilling, I think there is no opportunity right before us. So as a state of Karnataka, we are focusing more on how best we can skill. We are looking at skilling. We have to do upskilling. We have to do reskilling. This is where we have that's the mantra now. Everybody talks worldwide. Even the job givers, that is the industries, they also ask what skills do you have, what skill sets have been taught to you. I think we are working on in that line, and things can't change overnight. We are focusing the past 2.5 years of my experience as the higher education minister. We have evolved quite a bit of programs. We have brought in a unique program which is going to give a assured job, that is AEDP program, Apprenticeship Embedded Degree Program. It is a 3-year exclusive degree program, BCom in retail, BCom in e-commerce, BCom in logistics, BCom in BFSI. These are the 4 areas we have started for the past 2 years. This year the students are going to get into the 5th semester. They are going to work directly in the retail outlet of whether it is Chroma or Reliance. They are going to get a stipend paid, could be a minimum of 8,000 to 15,000 around that for a year. 5th and 6th semester, they are going to be paid stipend, and immediately I think there are high chances of them getting absorbed into these sectors. Like this sector specific programs we have devised, and not only only 4 areas, we are looking at expanding, and in fact we are going to see that how best we are going to improve the language labs, which are going to be of great help, and also the other areas, other streams, other branches, also we are going to make it more skill oriented. Even the technical education, whether it is polytechnics or engineering, we are going to make it more of a skill related, and we want to bring in all the skilling within the course curriculum. This is what we are looking. We don't want students to graduate and then go out and try to get into a finishing school or get themselves get skilled. So this is what we are looking at. So I would like to emphasize that skilling is going to be the order of the day, and which we are looking at that. So I got to say much more. A lot of things are there, but I don't want to take your time. Once again I would like to thank all of you for giving a very patient hearing, and especially Dr. D. Virendra Hegde, respected Dr. D. Virendra Hegde, for having me be part of this graduation day, and also the management for insisting that I should be part of this program. Now I feel that if I had not come, I would have missed a great opportunity to be here and to see all the young future of the country, the two with lot of acumen to perform. I think with these few words, I would like to end my address. So I thank you all once again. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for the convocation address and sharing your words of wisdom with us. As a mark of our sincere appreciation, we are honored to present a memento symbolizing our gratitude and acknowledging the enduring impact of guidance and support we received. May I now respectfully request the Honorable President, Dr. D. Virendra Hegde, to present the memento to Dr. M.C. Sudhakar. Further, I request Honorable President to present a memento to Dr. K.R. Kavita. Thank you, sir. With great respect and honor, I take immense pleasure in inviting Dr. D. Virendra Hegde, Dharmadikari of Dharmasthala, President of 𝐻𝐷𝐻𝑚 Educational Society, Ujire, and President of this graduation ceremony, to deliver the presidential address.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಈ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿರುವಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂ.ಸಿ. ಸುಧಾಕರ್ ಅವರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಕವಿತಾ ಜೆ.ಡಿ. ಅವರೇ, ದೇವೇಂದ್ರಪ್ಪನವರೇ, ಈ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದೇವೇಂದ್ರಪ್ಪನವರೇ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಅವರೇ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಇದರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ವಿವಿಧ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳೇ ಮತ್ತು ಈಗ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಪಡೆದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರೇ, ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುಧಾಕರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವರ ತಂದೆಯವರು ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಪರಿಚಿತರು, ಚೌಡ ರೆಡ್ಡಿಯವರು, ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಗ್ರಾಮ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಪರಿಚಿತ ಗ್ರಾಮ. ಅವರ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೊಕ್ಕರೆಡ್ಡಿಯವರು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಇದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕರೆದು ಭಾಳ ಸಾಮೂಹಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಆಂಜನೇಯನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. ಹಾಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಮೊದಲೇ ಬಂದವರು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುಧಾಕರ್ ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತಗಳಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಅವರ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಸಹೋದರರು ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ತಂದೆಯವರು ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯನ್ನು ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದರು 1966ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಂತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹಠ ಬಿತ್ತು, ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಡುಬಿದಿನೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಕರೆದು ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದರು. ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದವರು ಮೊದಲು. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು 56 ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಾಗಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಅಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. ಮೊದಲು ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಟು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಎ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇನ್ ಉಜಿರೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಂದು ಈ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕೃಷಿ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗ 1966ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನಾನು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಪಟ್ಟಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಈ ಕಟ್ಟಡ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಫಿಲಿಯೇಷನ್ನೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕಟ್ಟಡ ಕಟ್ಟದಿದ್ದರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದವರು ನಮಗೆ ಆಗ ಭಯ ಆಗಿ, ಈಗಿನ ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಆಗ ಈ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಭಯ ನಮಗೆ. ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದ್ದು. ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹಿಡಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಒಂದು ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಇದನ್ನು ಜೋಡಿಸುವಾಗ ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ನನಗೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ? ಅವನು ಹೇಳಿದ, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನನ್ನ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ ಹಾಕಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ? ನಾನು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟಡದ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದರು. ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ನಂತರ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಶೋವರ್ಮರವರು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದರು. ಅವರು ಇಬ್ಬರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೇರಣೆಯಿಂದಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬೆಳೀತು. ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದಲ್ಲದೆ 56 ಬೇರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇತ್ತು. JSS 56ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತ, ಅದೇ 30 ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು JSSನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಲ್ಲದೆ 56 ಅಲ್ಲದೆ. ಅದು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ವಜ್ರಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದು. ಈಗ 2 ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ಅವರು, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಶೋವರ್ಮರವರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರನ್ನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಜ್ರಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು, ಈ ಮೂವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಗೌರವಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಂದ ಈಗ ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಬಲ್ಲೆ, ಗುರಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಗುರಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಗುರಿ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ ಏನನ್ನು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಓದೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಓದಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಓದುವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಬರೀ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಗುವುದಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಮರಣ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು, ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಿಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಗುರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗುರಿ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಗುರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ಗುರಿ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡೋದಾಗಿ. ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ನೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ರೀಚ್ ದಿ ಏಮ್. ಆ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರಬೇಕು. ಗುರಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ನಂಬಿರಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಅಂಡಮಾನ್ ನಿಕೋಬಾರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಇದ್ದ, ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದರೆ, ಶಿರ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಿಂದ ಬಂದರೆ. ಇವರು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡದಿದ್ದರೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಸಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ನಾನು ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಏನು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಏನಿದೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಗುರಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಾಧಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಬಂದದ್ದು ಮೊದಲು ಕನಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗುರಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಗುರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಏಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಏಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಶ್ಚಲವಾಗಿ ಸಾಧಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಸಾಧಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಅನೇಕ ರೀತಿಯ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಡೆಸ್ಕನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಅನೇಕ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಹಾಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಿಂದ, ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಯೋಜನೆಯಿಂದ. ಅಂತೂ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇರೋದೇ ಹುಡುಗರು, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಗುರಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಧಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಈ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಸಂದೇಶದಿಂದಾಗಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಆಶಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸತೀಶ್ ಚಂದ್ರು ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯವರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾದೇನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ PG ಸೆಂಟರ್ ನಂತರದಾಗ ಈಶ್ವರಮ್ಮನವರು ಭಾಳ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಸೆ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನ ತೆರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನ ತೆರೆದೆವು ಮತ್ತು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ರನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರನ್ನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀಲಿ, ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಭಾಳ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ನಡೀಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆಶಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನೀವೇನು ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರಾಗಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಉನ್ನತ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಠ ಹಿಡಿದು ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟೋ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೇಶ ಕಟ್ಟೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಶ್ಚಿತತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ಬದ್ಧತೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬದ್ಧತೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯಾವ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸಾಧಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಉಜ್ವಲವಾಗಿರಲಿ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಬಿಡುವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅವರ ಪರಿಚಯ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ತಂದೆಯವರ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇದ್ದಷ್ಟು ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಪರಿಚಯ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಕೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಂತೂ ಇಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಡುವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ದೇವರ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇವರ ದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಹಾರೈಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅನುಗ್ರಹದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೆಳೀಲಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಟೋನಮಸ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇದೆ. ಆಟೋನಮಸ್ ಆದುದರಿಂದ ಈಗ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಸಮಯದ ಉಳಿತಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡು ಜನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಸಮಯ ಉಳಿತಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕರ್ಧ ಸಮಯ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ನಾವು ಉಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಇದರಿಂದ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಿ, JD ಬಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ಬಂದೆ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಿ ಈ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಉಜ್ವಲವಾದ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾರೈಸಿದೆ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the inspiring presidential remark. We are truly grateful for your guidance and blessings. Thank you, sir. As we come to the closure of this memorable event, it is my honor to invite esteemed Registrar Administration, Dr. Sridhara N. Bhatt, to propose vote of thanks.
ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಂಜುನಾಥಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಾತುಗಳಿಂದ ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಪರಮಪೂಜ್ಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಿ ವೀರೇಂದ್ರ ಹೆಗ್ಗಡೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಪೂರ್ವಕ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಘನ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಉನ್ನತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಚಿವರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ MC ಸುಧಾಕರ್ ಅವರು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಭ್ಯಾಗತರಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತಮಗೆ ಅನಂತ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅವರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವರ ಸಹೋದರ ಬಾಲಾಜಿ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಂಟಿ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕವಿತಾ ಅವರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಚಂದ್ರ S ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣೀಕರ್ತರಾದಂತಹ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು, ಉಪಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ಸ್, ಡೀನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು IKSC ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಹಿರಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು, ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು, ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವೇಂದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ SDM ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು, ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಪತ್ರಿಕಾ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರು ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಈ ಪದವಿ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನು ಕಣ್ತುಂಬಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಅವರ ಹೆತ್ತವರು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಗಳಿಂದ, ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಪಾಲುದಾರರು, ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಟ್ಸ್, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತಾರ್ಪಣೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಟೋನಮಸ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಕೊನೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಬಂದ ಐ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, sir. May I request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Kindly note that lunch has been arranged in the seminar hall for all degree recipients, parents, and teaching and non-teaching staff. May I have your kind attention, please? The parents who have come here to receive the certificates can come to the MC desk and collect the certificates. I repeat, parents can collect the certificates at the MC desk. Please note, parents ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ MC ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ.